You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word, the past tense, or also the past participle of the verb to start. There are different pronunciations in English, hence probably the confusion. Maybe it's why you're here. Let me know in the comments. The most common, like standard British English pronunciation in the UK is as started. Star with a silent R, pretty much. Star, a long R sound, and then ted, okay? Started. Now, in some places in the UK, they just skipped the second T and pronounced it as started. Okay, so that's certain areas of Great Britain, England pronounce it that way, started. Now the Americans generally use here a flap T, which essentially is pronounced like a D. So the Americans would more commonly say it as started, okay, with a dead sound at the end. Started, that's how they would say it in the US. So let's summarize. Generally you have two main pronunciations, started or started in the US. Some say it as started too. Did you hear this? Was this any useful? Could you hear the differences? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.